Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make this incredible soup. I mean, really incredible. It's one of my favourite soups. There's literally nothing to it. 3 ingredients. We're going to use sweet corn, potatoes and onions. That's it. Super, super delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we need, and we're going to just use 3 ingredients. So I've got some corn here, sweet corn. I'm using it from a can. You could use from, frozen or fresh if you wanted. Onion and potatoes. I've peeled and washed my potatoes. Now I've tried this with adding some spices. I didn't like it. Some herbs. I didn't like it. With carrots, with celery, other veg. I didn't like it. It works just so well. Just these 3 things. So we're going to start this off with some oil or butter. I'm going to use oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and some liquid of your choice. That's it. It is really remarkable, this soup. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot and a lid. I've got some olive oil in there. Like I said, if you wanted to use butter, but I'm keeping this vegan, we're going to drop in our onion, our potatoes, and our corn. And you can also play around with the amounts. You can put less potato, more potatoes, up to you. Let's get some salt in there. And some black pepper. There you are. What we're going to do is we're going to just cook this on a kind of above medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. That's it, that's all the ingredients now. The only other thing we're going to do is put in some liquid. I just put water in. If you wanted, you'd be putting some vegetable stock, chicken stock, up to you. But yeah, for me, just water. See you in about 5 or 6. Fantastic. So I've tried this with garlic, I've tried this with cream, I've tried it with cheese, with fresh herbs. None of them taste as well as just these 3 ingredients. Okay, we're now going to add some water. Like I said, if you want to add stock, add stock. And you need to cover it, with a couple of centimetres. Bring that to the boil. Going to get a lid on that. Bring that to the boil, then get it on a rolling boil until those potatoes are nice and soft. It's going to be about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to liquidize it, and we'll see how thick it is then. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Got a lot of steam out there for you. So we've got these potatoes nice and soft now. They'll break with the spoon easily. What we're going to do now is we need to liquidize that. Now I use one of these fellows that go inside. You could be using a different thing. You can put it into a blender or something. Let me do that and then I'll be back. Okay, and there you go. That's it. Check that for salt and pepper. For me, it's going to be great. And that is probably the easiest soup ever. And it really is delicious. It's one of my favourite soups of all time. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.